Hi, Sarah here with an unboxing video. This is my Mind the Scrap July kit, and I have the main kit, the embellishment add-on, mixed media add-on and paper add-on, as well as some extra cardstock. So I'll go ahead and take everything out of the packaging and show you the whole kit. To begin with, here is the cardstock. If you go on the website, you can order extra of cardstock if you want to. Apologies if you can hear my little one in the background. So I have actually got extra black cardstock because I do use it a lot. So they come in bundles of 5. So I've got 5 black cardstock there. Then in the kit you get a white, and it's very thick, as you can hear. You get white, 1 black, 1 grey, like a soft dove grey colour, and you get an extra on this month because the supplies messed up, so we get a small green one as well, which matches really well with the papers in the kit and can be used for matting and layering photos, etc., or creating embellishments. So you get white, black, dove grey and this green, which is called apple tart. So those are the papers that you get in the main kit. I get the add-on, so I just have the same again here: white, black, grey and green. Next up, the pattern paper. First one here is called My Bright Life by Jane Hadfield. This one's Flower Market. And then the reverse of that is this beautiful blue stripe with pink branding strip there. So in the main kit you just get one. I get the paper add-on, so I'm showing you both sides. Next up, Pink Fresh Studio. This is a painty black splodges on white. And then the reverse of that, it's called The Case of the Blahs, and this one's called Messy. So that's the reverse of that one, with lots of little squares that could be cut apart, used as embellishments or a grid layout. Next up, Simple Stories Dream Big. This one's called Be Meowgical. I love this. I do love strange little fantasy characters and stuff. I think they're so much fun. And then the reverse of that one is this beautiful heart design, which has orange, pink, yellow, aqua, teal little hearts all over it. Next up we have Pink Fresh Studio Simple and Sweet. This one's called Lemon Lush. It's got lemons all over it, as well as little phrases in them, like brighten up, happy in the moment, bliss. And then the reverse of that is one of those colouring ones, or you can leave it black and white, depending. And oh, I'm already running out of space. Next up we have this green pattern here, with a really pretty branding strip as well. And that one is called My Bright Life and called Bright Stripes, and it's by Jane Hadfield. As you can see, there's the opposite side. And I absolutely adore this. I absolutely love rainbows, so I'm really looking forward to doing some painty backgrounds to go with that. And finally, with the pattern papers, we have Dream Big again. This one's Be Unique, Simple Stories, with loads of sweet whimsical characters on there as well. And another rainbow. We're spoilt for rainbows this month. And this one is more of a pastel shade one without the red in it or the darker blues, which is very, very pretty. So that is our papers. This is the paper plus paper add-on, so you can use both sides if you decide to use a whole one for a background. and I'll move on to what you get in the main kit along with the set of papers. Our alphas this month are called Bryn, and they're foam thickers with a foil top to them in gold, and they're quite thin and tall, so they work really well for being able to do like longer titles on layouts. We also get a pack of ephemera, 33 pieces by Pink Fresh Studio. This is called the Mix number 2. If I turn it over, you can see the pieces that you get there. And there's an idea of the size of them. We also get these pockets, which are in a, what's the word? Like vinyl, I think. Clear pockets. And these are by Heidi Swap, and there's 2 in there. And also in the main kit we get these Freckled Fawn 49 metallic enamel stickers. And if you see close up, the white ones have got like a metallic marbly effect in them. They're really different. I really like those. I love black and white embellishments. I think they look really striking on top of rainbow coloured things. I think it brings it all together really nicely using black. Okay, so that's the main kit, the cardstock, the paper and the paper add-on so far. I'll move on to the embellishment kit now. First off we have these Pink Fresh Studio Golden Puffy Accent stickers from the collection Simple and Sweet, and there's these beautiful leaf vine type things. There's sentiments, there's frames. Then the other side there's loads of hearts, which is practically a separate set of embellishments in itself, and loads more beautiful scripty phrases and leaves, etc. So we get those. From Die Cuts with a View we have these tiny vellum envelopes, and they've all got different flat bits on them and lots of pastel shades which will go perfectly. We have these neon pink enamel dots, and these are actually, instead of the shiny ones, these are actually have like a chalky matte finish, which is really lovely different texture there. Finally we have this washi. I will take it off the reel so you can have a look at it, and this is by Carpe Diem washi tape. Enjoy Summer, 10 yards. So here it is here. So there's lots of circles that are semi-transparent, as well as black and white patterned ones on there as well, kind of like confetti, which goes so well with the kit. If you can see in the background, it's just works beautifully. So we get a whole roll of washi as well, and that is the embellishment kit. Finally, I have the mixed media kit. So to begin with, we have some mister bottles here, some spray bottles, and these are by Jane Davenport, and there's 2 bottles in here. And it says used with your incredible inks, which there was one in last month as well as this month as well. We also have these journal tape strips, and there's 66 of these, also Jane Davenport. There's 5 sheets like this one. So you can paint over these and make them into more rainbow, or leave them as is, depending on what you want to do. And there's what's on each sheet. And finally we have this incredible ink in yellow, and it's a lemon scented one. So you can use this as is for like stronger colour, or you can dilute it down and put it in a spray bottle, paint it straight on, add water and paint it on for a watercolour effect, or you can drip it on using a dripper to create big drippy bits on your layout. But I will show quite a few techniques with this coming up on some videos. And that is everything. So thanks for joining me today. I apologise for my inky hands. Stay tuned, I am the guest designer for Mind the Scrap this month, so I'll be doing lots of layouts and hopefully inspiring you to use your mixed media, and I will make sure that I get out lots of the older mixed media kits as well and use some of those in case there's any that you've struggled with. I've got there's a feed in the Mind the Scrap group that's asking if there's any older mixed media kits that you'd like to see used in one of my videos. So again, thanks for joining me. Have a great day, and yeah, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me as well. Cheers, bye.